Hi, and welcome to Tap Tech today. We're diving into a smartwatch that's getting a lot of attention. This is not just another update. It's the biggest leap Garmin has taken in years. Meet the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro. At first glance, it might seem like just another rugged watch. But it's much more. It's the result of Garmin combining the toughness of the Fenix series with the premium features of the Epix line. The Fenix 8 Pro is a smartwatch built for serious athletes, explorers, and tech lovers. It offers powerful features while still looking clean and tough. Let's explore everything this new watch has to offer and find out why it's creating so much excitement. But let's begin with the most obvious change, the display. Garmin has finally switched from the old low-power LCD screen to a bright and colorful OLED display. This is a big deal. It's the same screen type used in the more premium Epix series. The OLED screen makes a huge difference in everyday use. Colors look more alive. Text is sharper. Maps are easier to read. It feels more modern and premium, just like the Apple Watch or Samsung Galaxy Watch. You no longer feel like you're using old tech. This screen makes everything better. Notifications pop. Widgets look clean. Even checking your stats becomes enjoyable. It's more than just a visual upgrade. It changes how the watch feels and how you interact with it. The Fenix series always focused on function over form, but with this new display, it now has both. Despite the new screen, Garmin didn't forget its roots. The Fenix 8 Pro is still incredibly rugged. It's built for adventure, just like its predecessors. It keeps the 5-button layout that fans are familiar with. These buttons are reliable, even with gloves or wet fingers. But now, there's also a touch screen. The touch screen is smooth and works well. It's easy to scroll through menus, zoom in on maps, or check your stats. You get the best of both worlds: buttons when you need them, and a screen when it's easier. Garmin also added a new metal guard on the side of the watch. This isn't just for looks. It helps protect key sensors from damage, whether you're on a trail, climbing rocks, or working out. In tough weather, this small change adds big value. The watch is clearly built to handle anything. The buttons themselves have been upgraded too. They're now leak-proof. That's a huge improvement for swimmers, divers, or anyone working out in the rain. These small changes show that Garmin is listening to users and making real improvements that matter. Another returning feature is the LED flashlight. This was first introduced in the Fenix 7X, and it's now back in the Fenix 8 Pro. At first, a flashlight on a watch might sound silly. But once you use it, you'll never want to go back. It's perfect for night hikes, dark rooms, or early morning runs. It's one of those features you don't realize you need until you have it. The flashlight has multiple brightness levels and even strobe settings. It's simple, useful, and fits perfectly with the watch's rugged style. Garmin didn't just stop with hardware changes. The software experience also got a big upgrade. The user interface is faster and smoother. You'll notice it the first time you swipe through menus or open a widget. Everything feels snappy. Garmin also added haptic feedback. This means when you press a button or touch the screen, you feel a small vibration. There's no more physical click, but the vibration lets you know your action was registered. It's a subtle but helpful improvement. Another software improvement is the quick access notification panel. Now, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to view your alerts. Notifications are color-coded and easier to manage. Android users can even view pictures and reply to messages right from the watch. iPhone users can only read messages, but it's still a step forward. It's good to see Garmin catching up with the smart features people use every day. And now, something completely new: the voice features. For the first time, the Fenix 8 Pro comes with a built-in microphone and speaker. This means you can take phone calls right from your wrist. Whether you're at the gym or on a hike, you don't need to pull out your phone. It's convenient for quick calls or when your hands are full. The call quality is solid, and the speaker is loud enough for normal use. Even more exciting, the Fenix 8 Pro can now connect to your phone's voice assistant. That means Siri or Google Assistant is now on your wrist. You can set reminders, send texts, or ask questions without reaching for your phone, but Garmin went one step further. They introduced offline voice control. This is a game changer. You can now use your voice for basic actions, even without internet. Want to set a timer? Just say it. Need to start a workout? Use your voice. You can even open settings or check your stats with simple commands. The feature is still growing, and there may be a short delay sometimes. But it works, and it's incredibly useful during workouts or while on the move. And there's one more cool use: you can record voice notes. Let's say you have a thought during a run or hike. Just speak into your watch. No need to stop or pull out your phone. It's fast, easy, and very handy. Now, let's talk about performance and tracking. The Fenix 8 Pro includes Garmin's dual-band GPS. This is one of the best GPS systems in any smartwatch. It gives super accurate tracking, even in hard areas, like city streets or forests. Whether you're hiking, biking, or running through tunnels, this GPS holds strong. The new 5th-generation optical heart rate sensor is also on board. It tracks your heart rate more accurately than ever before. In many tests, it performs nearly as well as a chest strap. That's impressive for a wrist-based sensor. You get solid data without needing extra gear. The Fenix 8 Pro supports over 100 activity profiles. From running and swimming to yoga and skiing, there's a mode for everything. Each activity gives deep stats, so you can track progress and stay motivated. And for the first time ever, the Fenix series supports diving. That's right. The Fenix 8 Pro can now track dive sessions up to 40 meters. This was something only found in Garmin's dive watches before. Now it's in a multi-sport smartwatch. That makes this watch even more versatile, perfect for land, sea, and everything in between. The Fenix 8 Pro is also strong on health tracking. It monitors your heart rate all day and night. It tracks your sleep quality, stress levels, energy score, and recovery status. You get a full picture of your health, not just your workouts. It's like having a fitness coach and a health monitor on your wrist. One thing to note: the ECG feature is only available in the US and a few parts of Asia for now. Garmin is working to expand this. Hopefully, it rolls out globally soon. You can also customize your watch easily. The Garmin Connect IQ store has grown a lot. There are thousands of apps, widgets, watch faces, and data fields. Whether you want weather updates, extra workout tools, or new designs, you'll find them. The store is easy to use and lets you make your watch feel personal. Music fans will enjoy the offline playback. You can download songs and playlists from apps like Spotify. Pair your Bluetooth headphones and leave your phone at home. It's perfect for runs or gym workouts. A Garmin Pay is also included. This lets you make contactless payments right from your wrist. It's helpful when you don't want to carry your wallet. But keep in mind, bank support is still limited in some countries. This is one area where Garmin still needs to improve. Now, let's talk about battery life. Many people worry that OLED screens drain power too fast. But Garmin found a great balance. The 47mm model offers over 7 days of battery life with the always-on screen. That includes GPS tracking and music playback. That's way more than most smartwatches. The smaller 43mm version lasts a bit less. The large 51mm version can last up to 13 days. If you want even more, Garmin still offers solar-powered LCD models. Charging is quick. You can go from 0 to 70% in just 1 hour. That's fast enough to top up during a short break and keep going. The USB-C cable makes it easy and efficient. Another point in Garmin's favor is durability. The Fenix 8 Pro is built to last. It's not a throwaway gadget. It's reparable. The battery is rated to keep 90% of its capacity after 2 years of weekly charges. That's excellent. Garmin also supports trade-ins and follows electronics recycling laws. While the watch doesn't use recycled materials yet, it's moving in the right direction. Let's now talk about the price. The Fenix 8 Pro AMOLED series starts at around $869. Some models go up to nearly $1,000. That's a big jump from older Models. For comparison, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is about $799. Garmin's Forerunner 965 is about $499, so is the Fenix 8 Pro worth it? That depends on your needs. If you just want a stylish smartwatch, this might be too much. But if you love sports, adventure, and deep tracking, this could be the perfect fit. It blends rugged hardware with smart features beautifully. The new display alone makes it feel like a whole new class of watch. The voice tools add everyday value. It's not just a fitness tracker, it's a complete smart companion. To wrap up, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is Garmin's boldest watch, yet it brings serious upgrades across the board. A stunning OLED screen, tough design, smart voice features, amazing battery life, and advanced tracking for nearly every sport. Whether you're running up mountains or just want a powerful smartwatch, the Fenix 8 Pro is ready. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Tap Tech. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews.